Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the maximum love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I want to share with you Trust Progress, the analyst. Here I keep you updated. Here I give you all the latest updates. See, a lot is going on, and now for only Progress, the analyst. Now you go, they get the updates. Saka. So, I guess you all know this as Sister Ogechi. In fact, this one are some of the first people when you want to talk about this agitation or Biafra agitation, you go count Ogechi. First people, those days, very long time ago, with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I know her when she did online 247 to defend Biafra, but after some time, she quits. She also denounced Biafra, said she not be Ipob again, this is that. I guess there was a problem, but then I don't really know much details. I wish I don't do social media that I did broadcast, and for they know say, hey, this one I wait to happen, this one I wait to happen. But then I don't really know what happened, but I know there is a conflict, and she left the Ipob family. So since then, she has been doing her own things. And also, we normally see her on social media when she dey get some kind gbasgbos with some of the content creators, like exchanging issues. All of them, they are from Igbos. They quarreled on social media. The exchange was just like two fighting. You tell me, I tell you. That is what they do on social media. And I also come to know her a lot during this Ijele and Ebuka Obi issues. She was also there to still say her own part of the story. And also things were going, and there is a little conflict within herself and some of the Igbo's brothers. These are all we know about her. We never knew that the conflict has generated to the one they told that if you come Nigeria, we go arrest you, and you have to prove everything where you don't talk. Everything, you know, is two fighting. So you tell me, I tell you. You know, when two people they fight, you to tell me what you go pay me. I will also tell you what we also pay you. So this person said, if you come Nigeria, we go know how far. So she said that everything she said was in America. Said in America she for made a live stream. In America she for make her statement. So those people not go fit do her anything, and so many others. So finally she come Nigeria. So make I stop for them. Make I watch a little clip of how she was later arrested when she arrived Nigeria. Now the main thing when I want point for now this statement when this brother made when both of them get this conflict, he said something about Ipob. How she Ogechi dey use her platform take collect money from people, and she no dey submit the money. All the name of say she dey do fundraising. Then you know I told you before, say she be really the strong ogboroge, strong bone for Biafra. But when this person make this statement, I not really find so interesting, because this one not be matter of Biafra now una two they do now, just normal conflict, and based on say a lot don't happen, like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and this brother make some statement when he not supposed make. It can be out of annoyance or something, but I just want you to listen first, and I'll be right back.
Come outside. Come outside. Come outside. Come outside. Come outside. No, stop. Come outside, Alison. Yeah. This is please, go. Hello.
Who you be? Where's my phone? I need to my phone. I need my phone.
Hello?
I'm not running. I need to talk to my. I need to talk to my. Why would I run? I need to talk to my. Let me talk to my. Let me use my phone. Where is the winner? I need to use my phone now. Guys, I need
Evidence. This person. Now what have you said? Can't move this motor? Let's go. This thing. No. Why all this? Look. Thank you. Let's go. No, make an legal this. No, let's go. What can blow for no supposed to sharp.
Who you be? Where is my phone? I need my phone.
Hello?
I'm not running. I need to talk to my. Why would I run? I need to talk to my. Let me talk to my. Let me use my phone. Where is the winner? I need to use my phone now. Guys, I need
Evidence. This person. Now what have you said? Can't move this motor? Let's go. This thing. No. Why all this? Look. Thank you. Let's go. No, make an legal this. Let's go. What can blow for no supposed to sharp.
So my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update. And I see what I try to explain give you now. Sister Ogechi don't come out from IPOB for a very long time. She don't come out. And she stopped using her platform for that fundraising where they talk. It don't tell when she answer up. So I just believe that this is a statement that was made out of make it be say I get evidence against her. You know, at times when somebody does that pleasure, it can say some kind of things that is not right. But I believe that this her brother will later come back to his sense to say, no, this statement that I made is not good. So this is one of the reasons why you need to share this video, because a lot is happening that people put wrong impression on people, but it's not really true. The name of IPOB, a lot of things where we say I don't talk about them, where we say not they really they happen, and that is not really who they are. Now, when they talk about the insecurity in certain part of Nigeria, after some time, their eyes still reach and say, no, this insecurity is not caused by these people. Time without number, we did this social media where we don't see a lot of videos when they are retracing their footsteps, making a U-turn that this thing is not really caused by the IPOB people. Of which, if all this type of things started coming out about the organization IPOB, is not really telling well. So that is one of the reasons why you need to share this video for the world to see that no, some statement where they make say this is what they are doing in the IPOB is not really true. It's not really that. Especially now that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu still in Nigeria under the DSS. So all these type of things don't really good. And now a lot of it, but they really ask for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So please share this video and let it go viral. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst, and I will keep updating you. I know very well that these are brother maybe out of anger. He go still come back and also watch the video and realize that he has made some statement that should not be made, especially in public. So thank you. Share this video and bye for now.